Alright everybody, welcome to another video on our 2002 J4500 bus to RV conversion. Today I figured I would give you a quick look at the roof. It's really funny, the entire time I was trying to buy a J4500, I was desperately trying to find a video or a picture to see what the roof looked like and couldn't find one anywhere. So for anybody who's doing that, here you go. Up front here you can see there's some sealer that's been put down, which is obviously not OEM. All of that will be stripped off and resealed. The entire bus roof will get an elastomeric paint coating when the time is right. Both of these escape hatches are probably going to go because there's going to be a lot of solar panels on the roof. If I can keep one, I will, but the design isn't really showing that that's going to be possible at this time. So if you really needed to know what the roof of a J4500 looks like, now you know. Now I'm going to show you a quick slideshow of the removal of the floor in the bus, and then we'll have a little bit more video after that. Let's take a walk inside and see what it looks like now. As you can see, I've got the bulk of everything out. There's a lot of cleaning up to be done, and it's a little exciting to try and walk through here now. In this center chase, there are still existing pipes from the old bus air and bus heat, which will be removed just as soon as I figure out exactly what has to go. And here's the top of the engine and the engine compartment hatch, which will have to be reworked and kept in case I need access to the engine bay. You can still see there's a couple pieces of insulation left, not too much. All this insulation was wet, smelly, moldy. It was bad. So now the next task is to strip away all the wood that's still glued down. Strip away all the glue, and also strip away the rails, as you can see here, that used to hold the seats in. The rails are welded approximately every 12 to 18 inches with about a 1-inch weld. It's a lot of fun walking in here. And that's the progress with that for this week. Time to get cleaning. Once again, I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers. If you like this video, please click like, click subscribe, so you can get updates on future videos. Thank you for watching.